Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. In this video, I'll be showing you a DIY on how to make a face mask. It only takes a minute and all you need is a sock and a pair of scissors. Keep the two edges aside because you'll be needing them to make another face mask. Place in a tissue paper for more comfort. Here I took one of the edges that I cut off previously to make another face mask. That's it guys, I hope this video is helpful and will help you protect yourself in this current situation. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. And please use a clean sock.